Your SLC experience represents a tremendous amount of hard work, perseverance, and dedication. But that experience doesn't end today. Today, you're opening a new door to new possibilities. And like the alumni who have passed through this door before you, this is just the beginning. Since the first graduating class, the St. Lawrence College alumni community has grown to more than 100,000. That's 100,000 alumni who have shared experiences. 100,000 graduates connected through a global alumni network spanning more than 75 countries, and who combined have earned over 130,000 credentials. What does it mean to be SLC alumni?
It means a lot. It means friends. It means opportunities. It means career and professional growth. And it honestly also means going anywhere you go and being successful or anything that you can do.
For me, it's mostly about giving back to the community where I had the chance to build my career upon and make wonderful connections along the way.
One of the extraordinary things about being a graduate is all of the skill sets that you have picked up along the way in your journey, and not just curriculum related to your subject mastery. I'm talking about the learning to learn skills, getting along with people, knowing when to ask for help, knowing when you need to dig deep, dial in to be able to meet those goals.
It means being able to have access to great connections, networks, lots of friends, as well as bridging the gap as an immigrant, having come here from my home country and trying to understand what it means to work and live in my new country.
It means having connections that you can rely on, connections you can work with. Knowing someone might be the difference between getting hired or not, and you can rely on other professionals for support, knowledge, and information.
You'll enjoy benefits and opportunities as an SLC graduate.
This is my chance finally to give back to the community and the students how my professor helped me. I feel like this is my chance to do the same thing.
I've always got a community that I can pick their brains from, I can sound off, I can get ideas, I can think outside the box with other people, and then try and implement them on the other side of the world, which, when you think about it, is absolutely amazing.
To be part of such a massive network of people that largely share my beliefs and values is really powerful when you're building your career, because that outreach and that thought pool it's really helpful.
Been given the opportunity to teach various courses. I currently volunteer as a member of one of the PAC committees. I also guest speak.
SLC alumni congratulate you on your achievement and welcome you to the community.
I'm so proud of you. You guys made it through this amazing hard time this year. It hasn't been easy, so I'm so proud of you guys. Congratulations.
Welcome to the family and congratulations. You did it. You made it. Be proud of yourself.
Yay! Congratulations!
Félicitations à tous. Congratulations. You guys did it.
Congratulations. And you did it. Be proud.
Cute, rock. Crushed it. Now on to the next chapter. You're going to do great.
Welcome to the alumni. Our door is always open.